me, Shamar, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I have discovered a black-owned subscription. And it is, oh my god. I'm sorry, I got gel on the package. This is so ghetto. And it's not a monthly thing, you get it every 3 months. And it is the Femailer. You can't even see it. Can you just relax for a second? Wow, I have it upside down. The Femailer. It is $30 every quarter. I don't even know if I said that or not, but it is $30. I would say they do give you, like, you do have to pay for shipping, but they do give you like free shipping the first one. You just need to pay attention before you actually go ahead with your payment. Look at your email before you press submit, and it will give you a coupon. If not, I will leave mine. It's not my coupon, but it's the coupon that they gave me when I ordered, if that makes sense. And here comes the little baggie that's in it. Says don't touch my bag, which is pretty cute, like don't touch my hair. And it comes with this. It says get your glow on with your summer Femailer. And it's so cool how they spell Femailer. I don't know if you could see when I showed you the bag, but it's like female as in mailing something out, but it's female. So clever. And this just tells you everything that comes in the bag here on this thing. The woman who created this, her name is Ashley Gomez. But let me go ahead and get into it. So first it is, I'm not sure what this is. It says Urban Skin RX. Even Tone 3-in-1 treatment. Ah! Ooh, I thought I cut it down. I mean, I thought I broke it down. Tighten and improve uneven skin. I'm sorry, my neighborhood does not know how to act, so if you hear a bunch of fireworks, I'm sorry. Let's see what this is. 3-in-1 tone. Oh, it's a toner. Okay. And you can use it daily. I'm just gonna open it and smell it. I just want to say this sponge is so cool. Like when it's dry, it's all hard kind of, but once you wet it, it just turns into like a squishy regular sponge. And it also expands. Goodness, I can't talk. It smells interesting. Not like interesting bad, but it smells interesting. Kind of a little medicine-y. I actually already kind of know what's all in here because I already watched the video on it, but you guys do not. And I kind of forgot some of the stuff that was in it. Like I completely forgot about this. And then they have this argan oil cream. Sorry, it is argan oil, but it's the Cream of Nature art with argan oil from Morocco. Extra firm edges, supposed to be like an edge control. I don't even use edge control or lay my edges. Like if you watch my videos, you know I never lay my edges. And y'all probably looking like, whoops, you could, but guess what, I don't want to. So moving on, it is this headband. Ooh, it's a satin too, so like I guess you can wear it up front, and you can probably even wear it like in the back. Like if you, I can't demonstrate, but I'm gonna try it on just from the front. Woo! The reason why I said I can't demonstrate from the back because I have a little poof back here. And I will have a video on this hairstyle. I'm not sure if I'll upload it before or after this. And here it is, all satin on the inside. I'm scared. Maybe I shouldn't do this. I don't think I should do this. I feel like I'm gonna mess something up. But I'm excited to wear this when I'm having a bad little hair day and don't feel like doing nothing, because all I ever do is put it in a little top bun, and I'm tired of doing that. And here is this lip gloss. Oh, this is not lip gloss. Wow, I almost lied to you. This is like eye glitter. And maybe I'll try this out someday. I'm not that good with eye makeup, but I'm gonna try it out. And it is from Black Radiance. Let me make sure. It looks like their logo. Yep, it's from Black Radiance, and it is in the color Spotlight. Next is the Shidavi, maybe? And it is some dietary supplements. It is for hair, skin, and nails. And it comes with 14 pills, which is a week-long supply. You're supposed to take 2 a day. And then it also comes with a little necklace, which is really cute. It says blessed. I think I want to put it in. It says blessed is she who believes. That's what it says on the little cardboard. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on actually. And then next is, let's open it and see. Oh, no, maybe this is lip gloss. Let's see, is it actually lip gloss? Or am I lying? Yes, it is lip gloss. It says Light It Up High Shine Lip Gloss. It is the company Pure? I think the company's name is Pure, and maybe the line is Out of the Blue. Yeah. And it's in the color gold. This is really cool because look. This lights up. And it even comes with like, a little mirror here. But yes, it comes with a nice little mirror here. Oh, don't mind my background. But that's so cool. This is the coolest thing ever. You can be like in a little dark place. Being at the little bar, club, something. Be in your car, getting ready to go into the club, bar. You don't feel like turning on all them lights. And you can just apply like this. Oh my gosh, this is so innovative. Love it. This might be my favorite thing so far. And then we have this leave-in conditioner, also by Cream of Nature. So it's the Pure Honey line. I usually don't care for the sprays. Oh, excuse me. Let me see. But the bottle looks kind of thick. It is pretty thick in here. It smells so good though. So maybe you'll see me use it in an upcoming video or something. I want to spray this so bad. It doesn't come out thick. We shall see. It smells so good. And then here's the last thing here. And it says, Black Girls Matter. Indeed we do. Which is so cute. So I think I might put this on my laptop. I think that's what I'll do. So for $30, how many things did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to include the baggie, that would be 8. And so I feel like that's a pretty good price, especially since they gave me full size for this, and lip glosses and eye thing, of course, are full sizes. But I think that's really cool. I don't know if this is full size or not because I never even heard of this. But I definitely will try this out. I'm very curious to try it. But if you like, I definitely would recommend, if you like what you've seen here today, I recommend going ahead and ordering one. I'll leave the link to where you can buy a Femeler and do the subscription to it. And that is all I have for you today. And as always, no. That is all I have for you today. And if you did like this and you want to go ahead and get the Femeler, please give me a like, share this video out, feel free to subscribe, and also you can watch another video if you want to. Oh my gosh, I actually have more. I feel like I have more. I forgot all about this necklace. Gosh. But as always, I wish you nothing but good luck and blessings, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Sweet